Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make queso ramen. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 package of instant ramen, but set aside the seasoning packet. Next, measure out 1/4 cup of your favorite creamy queso. Also, have 1/2 cup of milk or broth on hand. For an extra boost, consider adding about 1 ounce of cooked protein like shredded chicken or ground beef. This simple method ensures a delicious and quick meal. Now, let's cook the ramen noodles. Bring about 2 cups of water to a boil in a small saucepan. Once boiling, add your ramen noodles. Cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes or until they are tender. It's important not to overcook them, as they will continue to soften slightly. After cooking, drain the noodles thoroughly. We won't be needing any of the cooking water for this recipe. Next, we'll create that delicious queso sauce. In the same saucepan you used for the noodles, combine your 1/4 cup of queso with the 1/2 cup of milk or broth. Heat this mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until it's smooth and fully melted. This usually takes about 1 minute. If you like a little spice, feel free to add a small pinch of chili powder to the sauce for an extra layer of flavor. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your drained ramen noodles directly into the saucepan with the creamy queso sauce. Stir everything together thoroughly, making sure every noodle is beautifully coated. If you prepared any cooked protein, now is the time to mix it in. Serve your delicious queso ramen immediately while it's warm and enjoy this incredibly easy and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.